Welcome back to the 370Z build. Today we're going to be doing test pipes install and we're going to be doing tranny mount install. The tranny mount shouldn't take long, so we're going to do the test pipes first, the tranny mount first because it's rather easy, and then we're going to do the test pipes. I already did motor mounts, sorry I didn't film it, but I'll show you a clip of how my motor was sitting before and how it's sitting now. Sitting nice now. Show you a clip I'll show you some pictures what it used to look like. She's looking good. Oh yeah. I haven't showed you the clip in the last video. I know I said oh yeah, look at the clip, but I didn't really send it to my editor, but it's whatever. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And like it if you actually learned something. I'm gonna try my best to film like under the car or whatever. But yeah, see you in the next clip.
Okay.
So we're taking this bracket off right now.
Yeah.
We already took off the O2 sensors.
I have to bring the those bracket doesn't have it in the new one you got. You know that, yeah?
What yeah, no, this?
Yeah.
No, yeah, it does. Let me go check them out. I'll show you guys the brick test pipes. Oh, it doesn't. Oh. Whatever. So we got the brick test pipes resonated. As you can see, O2 sensors. It's gonna sound nice. Along with short shifter, old tranny mounts or motor mounts. Look at the motor mounts, dude. Gone. Absolutely obliterated. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. This is supposed to be right here. Okay. Stupid. By the way, motor mounts and tranny mount, both from Z1 Motorsports. Looks crazy, bro. Here, give me one, and then I do one side, you do the other side, eh?
Not losing this one too tight.
Put a we'll be back. We're gonna heat up these bolts right here with the torch real quick so we can loosen them because they kind of look rusty. Oh buddy, she looks bad. But yeah, see you guys there. Back it out. Time to heat these.
You know what? I have to put that bracket on. I have to weld it in that though.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, you know that.
We're gonna weld up these, I guess, on the things, but I don't think we really need to do that, to be honest.
Why? Because you will have a lot of pressure on the exhaust. You know that, eh?
Yeah, I guess that's true. Yeah, but it doesn't connect to here though.
It connect with the transmission, because the exhaust is staying with the transmission. Because the transmission.
Oh, it connected up here?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, you took those bolts out?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, then yeah, we're gonna have to weld these on the test pipes so we can connect them. We're gonna do some custom fabrications. Time to do the top ones. And by the way, I see people take the intakes off for this top one. But I can easily get a wrench in there. There's a lot of room. I'm filming that.
Man, the engine mounts so very hard. I didn't take anything apart, and I lose the bolt.
Yeah, all we had to do is just move the motor. That's like the hardest thing. Look at them beauties. You see them, right? You see them, right? Blah. But yeah, we're gonna get started on the top ones now. Fuck. This top bolt gave us a long time. As you can see, we heat her up. Catalytic converter out. Time to take off the other one and start putting on the test pipes. Said I won't take the intakes off. I don't want to, but we had to anyways because it's really giving us a hard time, the top bolt. But it's whatever. This is gonna be hard because there's a lot of stuff here. You got a lot of lines, but it shouldn't be a problem. Should get her out nice and easy. Hopefully, it's starting to spit a little bit, but we can get through it. Shouldn't be raining that long, but you know. We took one cat out. The other side was giving us a hard time, just that one top bolt. Don't worry, we'll get it. We'll get it going. But so it just started pouring. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna shower, take a nap, and then wake up and get back at it. And I'll see you guys in the meantime. What up, guys? So we just took off the second cat. The top bolt fought back, fucked up my thumb, but it's whatever. Now we're putting on the test pipes with the new hardware and gaskets, and I'm probably not gonna try to. It's really hard to film under there right now, so I'm just gonna film when they're on, and then do a nice little cold start for you guys. The test pipes are in. Time to start her up. I'll show you guys real quick. They are looking nice. And for the gaskets, always make sure you have seam sealer. Let me show off the brand. It's not sponsored, but make sure you guys have some seam sealer for the gaskets for whatever reason, just in case you don't want exhaust leaks. Yeah, it's time to get started. You guys ready? Okay, time to start it. Let's go. It sounds good. How you like them apples, guys? You smell that? It smells like callus. Oh, buddy.
This?
It's recorded.
There we go. Call it a day. That's recording. Yeah.
Buddy, she sounds good. Now guys, we're gonna be finishing up, giving her a test drive. We're just gonna do the tranny mount, and yeah, we'll see you then. What up, guys? This is the next day. We're gonna be finishing this car. I am so tired. I just cannot wait to drive it, man. So what we're gonna be doing now is just a tranny mount, and after that, we're dropping it on the ground, and I'm gonna go for a nice little test drive, and I'll bring you guys with me. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoy, and see you in the next clip, taking off the tranny mount. So we're gonna start by taking off these 4 bolts. We got 2 up here and 2 down there. Well, first, before anything, jack up the trans, because you don't want that thing fucking falling in your head. And then, look at them test pipes. Oh my god, they look so beautiful. Got a little bit of, hold on. Oh yeah, we got a little bit of exhaust sealer on the pipes, but it's whatever. Buddy, few months, these are not gonna be shiny, but it's whatever. So yeah, we're gonna take that off, and then this is gonna be the actual mount. You can see it's right there, and then it goes under, and then boom, those little bolts or whatever. I think I gotta take those off too. Yeah, you see right there. Take that off. More bolts right there, and then yeah, and then put on the new ones. Comes with new hardware, and she should be good. Now, see how this one's moving, guys? Not supposed to do that. Look at this E1 Motorsports one. Don't move at all. Okay, now, let's put this on. Guys, everything's done. Time to drop the Z and give her a little test drive, see how she feels. Dude, it feels so good, man. Sorry guys. Feels amazing. The shifter, bro. I have a short throw too I'm gonna be installing, but I'll install in the next video. But the tranny, it feels in place now. It feels amazing. Everything. I'm so used to driving my dad's. Idle's so drawn. Tiny pull. I can't fucking downshift because I haven't driven it so long. Dude, you guys fell, my bad, but holy fuck. It feels a little bit faster too. I love it. I love the way it sounds. Alright guys. definitely needs a tune. Most definitely. Can't drive. Feels good.
All the shit.
Fuck, dude, it's vibrating the whole car.
Eh?
The exhaust is vibrating the whole car, bro. Yeah, but it's fine. It's not.
You know why?
It needs a tune.
No. You know that bracket I just put on?
That's probably why.
I have to weld 2 pieces, bolt it in.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's why.
Maybe.
Does it make a noise?
No, it drives beautifully.
But no noise, no hearing, nothing.
No, but yeah, everything's fine. Everything's beautiful. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys.
The brackets?
It won't do it, yeah. Yeah, because we didn't do it. We didn't fully do the brackets. I don't think most people actually do the brackets, but it's whatever, we'll do them because I'd rather not be vibrated. You know what I mean? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and put those the post notifications on. If not, then it's fine. It's whatever. I hope you guys still learned something from this.
Let me
But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.